Hi, so it looks like there's three of us in our little small group, so it'll be fun to get to know you guys over the next 8 weeks. So my documents that I chose were three pretty different ones. I chose one from my freshman year in college, which the date on it says 2013, so it's been a few years. Um, it's titled My Greatest Success, and the reason I'm looking over here is because I have it on my iPad, which will come in handy. Um, Basically, it just talks about how I was super excited and felt really successful when I earned a few $1,000s in scholarships. It helped pay for me to live in the dorms and a few other things like my books. So that's one of them. And then I chose another one, which was answers to prompts that I was asked on my recent application for my medical laboratory science program. They were some questions that I had to put a lot of thought into, and it proved quite the challenge, actually. It probably was the most challenging part of my application, so it'll be interesting to go back and kind of look at that and really analyze it a little more. Um, and then my third one is it's called the experimental design. So basically, I designed a um, experiment that would see the effects of cats that are declawed versus cats that are not declawed, and whether or not it has a big influence on their behavior or um, just like their emotional, well, you know, maybe not emotional, but just really the way they act and if they act any different, whether they're declawed or not declawed. And so there's three very different texts that be interesting to kind of go back and read some stuff that I haven't looked at for years. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I think it'll be interesting to see how I've grown as a writer between my freshman year of college and then just here like a few weeks ago. I think I turned in my application like on January 22nd. No, yeah, maybe something like that. It was not that long ago. So it'll be really interesting to see my growth. And I'm excited to see what you guys look at and analyze. So look forward to it.